Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hello, friends.
Today, we are talking about a very interesting situation, speaking English at the airport.
Oh, yes, airports can be exciting, but also a little scary, especially if English is not your first language.
Exactly. Many English learners understand English, but when they reach the airport, they suddenly feel nervous.
Yes, suddenly the brain says, error, error, English not found.
That is true. Your brain freezes.
And the airport staff speaks fast, people are walking everywhere, announcements are happening.
Yes, and you start thinking, what if I say the wrong thing? What if they don't understand me?
Or what if I don't understand them?
Exactly. But today, we will practice simple English conversations that happen at the airport.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you're at the airport with us.
Yes, and sometimes we will ask you a question, so you can practice speaking too.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Harry, have you ever been nervous at an airport?
Oh yes, the first time I traveled alone, I was very nervous.
Really?
Yes, I was standing at the check-in counter and the staff asked me a question.
What did they ask?
They asked, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
Oh, that's a common question.
Yes, but at that moment, my brain stopped working.
Oh no.
I just said, yes, I have big bag, luggage, yes.
That still works.
Exactly. That is the first lesson today. You don't need perfect English.
Yes, communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Even simple words can help you communicate. Let's imagine something. You arrive at the airport. You go to the check-in counter. The staff smiles and says, "Hello, may I see your passport?"
Very common sentence.
So what can you say? You can say, "Sure, here it is."
Very simple.
Or you can say, "Here is my passport."
Friends, try saying this sentence aloud.
Yes, say it with us. Here is my passport.
One more time. Here is my passport. Harry, what happens after check-in?
Good question. Then the staff might ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
And you might say, yes, I have one suitcase.
Or, "I have 2 bags."
Very easy.
Then they might ask, "Did you pack your bags yourself?"
Some learners get confused here.
Yes, but it's simple. They just want to know if you packed the bags. So you can say, "Yes, I packed them myself."
Or simply, yes, I did.
Now let's practice a mini conversation. Imagine I'm the airport staff.
And I am the traveler.
Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. May I see your passport?
Sure, here it is.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Did you pack it yourself?
Yes, I did.
Perfect. Please place your bag here.
Thank you. That was easy.
Yes, airport English is usually short and clear.
But Harry, what if someone does not understand the staff?
Very good question. Never feel shy to say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Yes, that sentence is very useful.
Or say, "Could you speak slowly, please?"
Let's practice it.
Repeat after me. "Could you repeat that, please?"
Again. Could you repeat that, please?
Another common situation is security check.
Ah, yes, the famous airport security.
The officer might say, "Please put your phone and keys in the tray."
Or, please remove your belt.
And sometimes they say, "Please step through the scanner."
Harry, the first time I heard scanner, I was confused.
Really?
Yes, I thought they said scary.
That would be a scary airport.
Now, imagine another situation. You cannot find your gate.
Oh, yes, airports are huge.
So you can ask someone, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?"
Very useful.
Or say, "Excuse me, how can I get to gate 12?"
Simple and polite. Let's ask the listeners something. You are at the airport and you cannot find your gate. What would you say? Pause for a moment and try speaking.
Maybe you said, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?"
Great job if you said that.
Harry, what about ordering food at the airport?
Oh yes, airports have many cafes.
Imagine you are tired and you want coffee.
You can say, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?"
Or, "I'd like a coffee."
Very natural English.
And maybe a sandwich?
Yes, airports are expensive though.
Oh, yes. One sandwich costs like a small treasure.
Now let's learn some important airport vocabulary.
Yes, these words will help you understand airport conversations.
Word number 1, passport. Example, please show your passport.
Word number 2, boarding pass. Example, here is your boarding pass.
Word number 3, luggage. Example, I have 2 pieces of luggage.
Word number 4, gate. Example, our flight leaves from gate 15.
Word number 5, security. Example, please go through security.
Word number 6, flight. Example, my flight is at 7 p.m.
Word number 7, delay. Example, the flight is delayed.
Oh no, nobody likes delays.
Yes, but they happen sometimes.
Word number 8, departure. Example, the departure time is 9 a.m.
Word number 9, arrival. Example, the arrival time is 11 a.m.
Word number 10, terminal. Example, the flight leaves from Terminal 2.
Try repeating these words after us. Passport,
Boarding pass.
luggage,
Gate.
security.
Flight.
Remember something important. Confidence is more important than perfect English.
Yes. Speak slowly. Use simple words and smile.
People at airports talk to travelers every day. They are used to different accents.
So don't panic.
Exactly. If you forget a word, just explain.
For example, the place where the plane leaves.
And the person might say, "Oh, the gate?"
Yes, communication works.
Before we finish, let's do one last mini conversation.
Okay.
Excuse me, where is gate 8?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Friends, if you are learning English, remember something.
Every conversation is practice.
Even small conversations.
At a cafe
At a shop.
or at the airport.
And don't forget to practice speaking out loud.
Yes, listening is good, but speaking makes you confident.
We hope today's conversation helps you feel more confident at the airport.
And helps you speak English a little more every day.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
and write a comment.
Tell us, have you ever spoken English at an airport?
Or where do you want to travel?
We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing,
Keep speaking.
and we will see you in the next episode of 24/7 Talk English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.